Are you kidding me? You want to lower that Tahoe? You're out of your mind. Woo! Something pretty special going on today. I'm actually headed about an hour away from my house to a shop that I've heard a lot about and I've actually been watching for a while. Today we're headed down to Southern Tire down in Mcgaughys, I think that's how you say it. And we're gonna meet up with the owner and we're gonna check out some really awesome vehicles that they do and just kind of check out their shop and just see what they got going on. I've had my eyes on them for a while and I think, you know, that feeling's mutual. So I'm super excited to make the trip down, go experience what their shop is like, check out some of the awesome builds that they have going on, and just really have a great time today. So real quick before we hit the road, let's get a little cold start for you. Like I said in a lot of videos, I definitely have some changes I want to make to the exhaust, but I'm going to stop talking and I'll see you guys when we get to Mcgaughys. Jake's a little busy inside, but look, it's the famous Southern Tire. I'm sure a lot of you guys have seen this on Instagram before, and I'm actually super excited to be here and go check the shop out. Holy shit. So look, Jake's busy up front. I wanted to come out back and take a look at this beautiful ass Tahoe before he comes back here, because he's like, man, it's dirty, blah blah blah. If you guys see my truck on the channel all the time, you guys know that my truck is filthy all the time. Matt's the only one that ever washes my truck, if he ever washes it, which is maybe once every 2 or 3 months. But oh my goodness, I don't even know what to say. I'm just absolutely in love with this. The first thing I want to say about this truck, this is what our Tahoe is going to look like. I'm 100% positive. I don't know if we're doing 26s or 24s, but this is 100% what our Tahoe is going to look like. And I could not be any happier with how this looks. This looks so f***ing good. Oh my God, and this makes me want a Tahoe really freaking bad. Y'all have no idea. I love my truck so much, but damn. I'm gonna stop drooling for a minute and actually look at this truck. So it looks like we got your 7 to 9 adjustable Mcgaughys lift kit. It looks like the premium lift kit because it's got the billet front face on it. Black, powder coated black. He's got the aluminum lower control arms like I do, and not a lot have that from what I was told, which is pretty cool. Some 26x14 tough wheels. He did have the red ones on here at one point, if you guys have seen that on Instagram, and I really wish he still had those because I really wanted to see that. But 37 1350 26s. I'm actually looking at the Gladiators potentially as a tire to put on my truck and the Tahoe when we get them, so I'm gonna ask him how these ride. And honestly, I wonder if he'd trade these. Probably not. Looks like a 2017 2018, maybe a 16 LTZ. This truck is just super clean, man. He's got the color matched badges on the back, color matched the blacked out badges, blacked out emblems on the side. Got some window tint. It looks like he's wrapped the pieces here. I'm not sure if that's wrap or if it came black, whatever it is, it looks really good. And then he actually was showing me this the other day. It's a turboed Polaris, and he just put these wheels on here yesterday. He was sending me pictures. He just put these on here. I'm not sure what size these are, but these look bigger than the wheels that are on my truck. His Polaris has the same size wheels as my truck does. That's kind of embarrassing, to be honest. I bet we could take a ride in this thing later. I know he wants to wash his truck for sure. He brought the pressure washer, so we'll probably end up washing the trucks, but I can't get over how this looks. I'm just absolutely in love with this truck. Now you guys understand why when so many of you guys on the channel and people that I meet are like, lower the Tahoe, it's cam, blah, blah, f that. Literally, look at this. If you, like, are you kidding me? You want to lower that Tahoe? You're out of your mind. What size spacer is on it?
2-inch.
2-inch spacer with 22s.
35
and 35. So that's literally, if they were wider, that would be the same size that's on my truck right now.
I really didn't know that they made 35 to 22.
So we got about a finger and a half on this side
overall,
and there's no. I'm glad that there's a little more tire on that than wheel, or those brand new wheels would not be looking pretty right now. How wide this Tahoe is right now. I know my truck's wide, but to see a Tahoe sitting like this, because we have one that's not wide, it blows my mind. And I'm gonna We have to lift it. All of you that just say that we're gonna lower it, you're absolutely stupid. Turboed Polaris. Oh, that thing looks mean. Boy's getting to drive the Tahoe. Apparently this thing will actually roast the 22s and 35s very, very easily. Are you gonna drive it? Oh, she's excited. What do you think? Do you like it?
Yes, what do you mean do I like it?
I can see you, I can really see you sitting in a truck this big. This is bigger than mine. That's gonna be cool. As the honorary fat man on the channel, this is your introduction. What do you have to say? That's it, that's all we needed. I appreciate it. Oh, he's coming in fast.
What's up? You come on down this Southern Tire where we can motherfucking do some goddamn air power steps. We got fucking whatever you want. You want to do your goddamn videos and all your tip wheels. Woo!
And there he goes. Come on down to Southern Tire. Thank you guys for watching the video today. If you guys like this content, make sure to hit the like and subscribe button. Make sure you guys follow Southern Tire on Instagram. Go show some love to my boys. If you guys are in the McDonough area, McDonough. If you guys are in the McDonough area, make sure you come by and see Speed Racer over here. And
that's Dale.
Jake with the brakes from State Farm. And
I'm Jake.
Jake.
Get your Tahoe lifted like that motherfucker over there. It'll look really good.
Bye.
Hey, you wanna do me a favor?
Yes.
Say, let's get this bread.
Let's get this bread.
This bread, baby! That's what I'm talking about.